Wow! Yay! Atisa, what will you miss about your Pattaya
Here in Pattaya, the room service here in Marriott. It's good. Because, sometimes when we don't have the time to eat because you want to squeeze in as much sleep as you can, we just order room service. And it's really good.
What's your schedule for today?
Today, we head to Bangkok and then we do whole day rehearsals until nighttime.
So
Yeah.
it's the last leg of the
It
journey.
is. But this is my favorite part. For me, this is the most exciting because you actually prepare for the night itself. Now, that's when you start to feel the music, everything. And usually that's when you get close to the girls because you're always just together.
We weren't able to ask about your closer interview yesterday. How was
Hmm. Really, I think it went really well. It felt like just a conversation with the judges. There were eight of them. And every time you take turns, 3 minutes each. And I think it's a much better way of doing closed door interview because at least you get to connect person to person because one on one.
did you talk about more about your advocacy as well?
Yes, it was actually well rounded, all the questions. Every judge usually asks different questions, but the ones that stick the most are yung what why should you win? Yung mga ganon, the classic ones. And most of it really is them just trying to get to know you. Mm.
Yes, your fans are asking about you. So,
Live ka ba? Hello, kamusta po? Good morning sa inyong lahat. Sana nakapag-breakfast na kayo. Voting at supportin yung voting. So sana po ay pagpatuloy niyo ang suporta sa Pilipinas, ipakita natin ang bayanihan spirit natin. Thank you. Sunday ba ngayon? Hindi ko na alam yung mga araw.
going back, ready for back.
Yes, excited. Thank you, Kuya.
Yay!